What's going on? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2011 Harley Davidson Softail Fat Boy with the two-tone psychedelic purple and vivid black paint. It's got a set of added-on lockable hard bags which are perfectly paint matched to the bike. The bike is in perfect condition besides some areas of the bags. So you can see there's a little scuff right here. The biggest area is on this bag. Got a pretty sizable scuff on that lid right there. But the bike itself, the fenders, the tank, all the chrome, just perfect. It's got under 10,000 miles. It's got some upgraded grips, some upgraded chrome wide blade levers, and this is pretty neat. I've seen a lot of different throttle locks, but this one's new to me.
Man, that is so cool. You just made my day.
It's an electronic throttle lock. So it's not a cruise control. It's not going to gain speed, at least I don't think so, going up a hill. But it works so good. You just turn the power on, get the throttle where you want it, and you'll hear it click. And it's just locked in there. Click it again, and it comes off. That's pretty trick. I'd imagine that piece right there is probably 300 bucks or so. It's got the quick detach windshield. Bike does have factory security. There's a little bit of oxidation on the lower fork legs. Brand new front tire, and it's the 96-inch fuel injected twin cam in a 6-speed transmission. Chrome stacked pipes. You got the floorboards for the driver. It's got the chrome wheels. Good tire on the rear. It's got the quick detach passenger backrest with a luggage rack built into it. And the bike's got 9,538 miles. Bike runs perfect, no mechanical issues. And it is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and we gave it a professional detail. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.